So I wanted to show you how to make a new book preview using Google Slides. And so I'll just walk you through the steps. Some of you might know how to do this already. Some of you have been asking some questions about how to make direct links to things. So just basically, you can see here, I'm highlighting some of the series that we just purchased and added to MackinVIA. And then I'm able to share this. And students, when they see this, will see something like this, where they'll be able to click on the series. And once they've logged into MackinVIA initially, it will take them directly to that series on MackinVIA. And it's taking just a little bit of time to load, but you can see that as an example. Okay, so the first thing I did was I opened a new tab and I opened up Google Drive or Slides directly. And I created a new slideshow. You can also take my slideshow I made and just make a copy and change it to your own needs if that's easier. But you do need, if you want, I made it the same size as a page, so I actually went to page setup and custom and said 8.5 by 11. And I do this a lot of times even when I'm making flyers because I think it's easier to work in Google Slides. And then I just quickly get rid of these text boxes because I don't need them. Okay, then let's go to Mac. I won't show you how to add everything in it, but you can see I added the MackinVIA link where kids could click on this and log into MackinVIA directly. But and you can add that or just copy my presentation if you want. Okay, so let's say in MackinVIA you want to start highlighting some of the new books or new series you have. So you can go to eBooks and sort by newest, and that way you're just looking at your new books first. And then I just kind of randomly went through, I didn't do it in a very organized way, and decided which books I wanted to highlight. So let's say I want to highlight the Bad Guys series. What I did was I went to I to get to the book record, and then I clicked here on the link for series. And then that took me to all the Bad Guy books I have for that. Then I used a Snagit tool. You can use anything you want. I like using this one. It's called Snip and Sketch, and I think it's standard on all the Dodia computers. But then I just highlighted a couple books from the series, and then I saved it to my desktop, which is kind of a mess, but so then I saved the image to my desktop, and then I went back to my presentation and said insert, image, upload from computer. For some reason my computer is being really slow right now. And I'm gonna look for Bad Guys. This is actually the one I did yesterday, but okay, now I have the image here and it's really easy. I can move it anywhere I want. That's one reason I like slides. It's very easy to manipulate pictures. And then I'm going to, so click on that and then I can insert the link. Okay, and all I have to do is go back to MackinVIA, and so here's my whole Bad Guys series. I have to copy the link, go back to my presentation and insert the link. Okay. And then you can do that for any of the books you want to highlight.